Add 3 grated carrots to a bowl. Add 150 grams of canned tuna. Add 400 grams of black-eyed peas. Add 200 grams of sweet corn. Add chives. Add coriander. Add basil. 4 boiled eggs. Add the eggs. Add mayonnaise to taste. Serve in a bowl. Add salt to taste. Add black pepper to taste. A bit of paprika. Add fresh thyme. I'm pleased to recommend an incredible Japanese knife. Knives recommended and used by world-renowned chefs with lifetime warranty and worldwide shipping. Use the code SHARP at checkout to get 10% off. Visit www.sharpblades.uk